This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Was Sent Some Shit. Let's unbox it. And today, I'm so excited. We're going to be opening up the new Bikini Bottom Buddies 2, the SpongeBob set. And I'm so excited because there's a scientist that I really want. And I will be genuinely sad if we don't get it. The secret is really cute, but if I don't get that scientist fish, I will be so sad. I think it's the best one. Spoiler, I know I rank them at the end, but I think that's the best one, and prove me otherwise, okay? Maybe it's because I work in science, but I just love this shit so much. I love it. So, before we, open this little bad boy up, I do want to say a very special thank you to Pop Boxes, my Lord and Savior Pop Boxes. Move over, Color Pop. Pop Boxes is our new Lord and Savior. Thank you. Pop Boxes reached out and was like, hey, do you want to open this? And I said, you bet your sweet ass I do. Thank you. I love you. If you've been on my unboxing journey, then you know how much I do love my little Pop Boxes. I love them because they usually have things that I cannot find. A lot of region exclusive stuff. That makes me very, very happy. So yes, while they do send me stuff occasionally, I am a customer and I love them very much. So if you're interested in this set or something else that tickles your fancy, feel free to use the code Theresa, and you can save 15% off your order. Pop Boxes has a lot of stuff going on. They usually have a good variety of promotions, whether it's free shipping, free gifts if your order meets like a certain threshold. I know I talked about this in the past, but they usually have, sometimes I'll have like the Lazy Panda, Skull Panda, which, I mean, she is a goddess. But they also have rare figures from Labubu and so much more. I got my little Farmer Bob, which actually he's in the background. Hold on, I'll grab him. My little angel. I recently picked this up from Pop Boxes and they don't disappoint and I love him so much. That's why he's permanently in my background. What can I say? I love KFC and I love fried chicken. So again, thank you to Pop Boxes for sending this to me. I love your faces. And now let's open these little babies up because if we don't get the scientist, I will freak the out. But let me show you the box though. Ooh, ah. Now I have two from like the first series, which this is my favorite one. And I love him so much. Oh, I love him. This is like the working fish. He has a little laptop and he just does not look happy. This is the creature that lives inside me when I go to work every day. Okay. And then I also have this one, the dead fish, which let me tell you, one, my name is Theresa is dead, but two, this is what I look like after 5 o'clock. Okay. Just like this. I love this. So, oh my God, this set is so cute. I can't. But let me show you. Let me open it up. Get my trusty box cutter. There are 6 boxes in this set. I'm going to start with box number 1. So I'm going to start with the one right over here. This one feels light. This one feels very light. This could be the bully fish. This could be the bully fish. So I feel in my gut, if I'm going to lock into my psychic power, I think this one's going to be the bully fish. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, that didn't feel good. Bitch, yes! Can I say, first of all, I love being psychic. I'm also filming this on Alex's birthday, so maybe I'm using his birthday magic. Oh, she's so cute. She's so fucking cute. Oh my God, she's so cute. Look at her. Oh, I mean, if I had a daughter, okay, this is what she would look like. We have the same face. Oh, she is so cute. I like how small she is. Like compared to the original ones, I mean, they are thin, lean boys, but I kind of like that she's a little smaller. I don't know. Sometimes it's nice to have like a little bag charm, Who am I fooling? I love any bag charm, but like sometimes it's nice to have a little small one. And she's so cute. I like her a lot. Oh, and her arms, they pose. Okay, listen. She's excited. Well, she doesn't really look excited, so maybe we'll just have one hand up. Oh, her little feeties too. Okay. Actually make her look like she's sitting. That's kind of cute. Or maybe not so much. Hello, I hate you. I love this. I think it's so cute. Oh, she's adorable. Oh, I do love the little licenses that you get with these guys, but there's the bully fish though. And bitch is not impressed. And I mean, can you blame her? Can you blame her with what's going on? No, you can't. Okay, box number 2. They're all so cute. I feel like this is another thin one. I kind of think this one is going, I don't know, actually. Okay, I don't know. Who else is thin? This could be the male fish. This could also be the scientist fish, but I think it's gonna be the male fish. I don't know, let's see. Oh no, oh, it's not. Can I tell you, I Love this one so much. Oh, okay. First of all, here's the card. We love the Crutch fit. Let's look at the card. Crutch fish. How cute. Oh, I love the card. Okay. Oh, and I know you could take his little, his little thingy off. He's healed. I love, this is so stupid. I love these. I love that you could just, you could do that and you could hit somebody. I just think that's so cute. You could also like change, if you decide that, hey, this foot's broken, fuck it, you could put it on this. You can put it on this foot. I think I'm gonna put it back on the other foot though, because it feels right. I don't know why, but it feels right. Let me just put it back on. Oh, but he's cute though. Okay, bitch, get your shoe on. Get your shoe on. Get your cast on. What am I saying? Oh my God, he is, hello. Oh, he's so cute. I have to say, I really do just love his just kind of face. That's so cute. Hello. But I do, again, love that you can move their arms. So he's very excited. Yay. He's fallen and he can't get up. No. If I could make like a little like life alert, how cute would that be? Like a tiny life alert on them. All right, I know. I need to go outside and touch grass, but shut up. Let me have this, okay? He's cute. I love him. All right, so far, haven't gotten my scientist. I'm a little scared that I'm not gonna get my scientist. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I don't feel particularly lucky today. Of course, do we want the secret? Yes, we obviously want the secret, but I don't think I'm gonna be that lucky today. I just don't feel it in my gut. I just don't. So I think this one is going to be, this is going to be my scientist. It's probably not going to be the scientist. It's probably going to be the male fish. I really want the scientist, but I think it's going to be the male one. Let's see if I'm right. No! Okay. You know, I had no idea if this one was going to be like super heavy or not, to be honest with you. But this is the Mascot fish. How cute. Love the card. Oh, you know what I think I love about these little guys is that they all look so miserable. And it just speaks to my soul. And like, I love this one. Hello. It's just like, I hate everything. Thank you. Like, this is just, oh God, if this could be a mascot for 2026, like, yep. He's cute. Oh, look at that. I also kind of like that he looks like a giant pickle. Even though I hate pickles, I kind of like that he looks like a pickle in a costume. You're fun. You're fucking fun. All right, so we have 3 boxes left. Did not get the one that I wanted so far. But, oh my God, I'd be really sad if we don't get it. I'll be sad if we don't get it. But let's see. All right, I think this one feels very light. These two feel like they have a little bit more heft to it. This one feels light. So this one either has to be my scientist fish or it's the secret. It's probably the scientist fish. Yes, bitch. Oh, baby's home. Okay. Oh, I love, why do you look like some of the people that I work with? Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is so good. Oh, okay. All right, I'm good. We could stop the video here. We don't need to open up any more boxes. I'm fine. I love, these two, I need to like always have them together. I don't know, they're just like the perfect little duo. But I love that he has a clipboard. Again, I love that the arms and legs move. Beautiful touch. But I love the clipboard. I love his unamused facial feature. I think that is like spot on, especially considering everything that's going on. I think this is like a 10 out of 10. And I love his color. Oh my God, I love that he has a little tie. I think the only thing though I would have liked, and I know this is kind of like, okay, if the tie was like maybe like a 3D, like a little extra piece of fabric and they made it like a, I don't know, like a little 3D thing, like a little tie, like an actual tie, that would have been really cute. Although it's totally fine. It is literally, it's such a stupid little request that I have, but I think that would have made it like 20 times better. Because you deserve a real tie, sir. Okay. But he's so cute. And let me tell you, bitch matches my nails and we love that. Hi, bye. Oh, okay. We have 2 left. I think this one is going to be I think this one's going to be the male fish. I think it's going to be the male fish. Oh no! Can I tell you, this is like my second favorite one. Because he's so, like, he's just so doofy and I love him. I love him so much. Oh, okay, so wait, this one is called, I think the Explorer Fish, right? Yes, Explorer Fish. There's the little card. Love that. He is, first of all, same teeth. Love it. But I think he's so cute though, and he has a little seashell, and he just wants to tell you about things, and he has hope. He has hope in his eyes, and I love that. Again, I love the little arms. Oh God, that's so cute. You're so cute. But see, like, look, this is the little detail I'm talking about. See how little tie? You know, they did my scientist a little dirty because he could have had a little tie like him. It's like little things like that. It's very stupid, I know, but it just makes a difference. But he's so cute though. Hello. Oh, you're so full of hope. I love that. Okay. We have one more fish to go. This one has to be the male fish. I do not think we got the secret. And it's okay. It's okay because I really like the male fish. Okay, male fish has seen some things. Male fish has seen some things. Hello. I think if I, okay, wait, hold on. I got so excited. In his little satchel, there's like tiny letters. I'm gonna start crying, okay, because this is the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen. There are two tiny little felt letters that go in his little mail satchel. So we gotta put him back in there because he's delivering the mail. Oh wait, there's another one. Oh shit. Oh, there's a lot of them. Bitch got a lot of messages. All right, hold on. Oh, that's so fun. Oh wait, are they supposed to like, wait. No, okay. I thought, because I was like, oh wait, one is, the back of it is like a little, you know, like an envelope. And then this is like, oh, I guess like maybe a postcard. Okay, because I thought, oh, that would be kind of cool if they kind of connect together. You know what I mean? So that it would be like a thick ass bitch of an envelope, but no. Okay, so you know what? Pop Mart, please take notes. I think what could have been cuter about this is if you kind of made these like more Velcro and actually made this like one kind of letter. That would have been kind of really cute. But again, listen, I will shut the fuck up because they are still adorable. And I like his little bag. Let me put his little thing in there. Got to do that. Got to put that in there. Oh, he's so over it. And listen, let me tell you, I can relate. I think we all can relate. But again, arms move, legs move. He's having a party. He's running. I can't get over his face. It's killing me. And then of course, here is the card. Male fish, that's so cute. We love that. Okay, now I need to rank these little babies. All right, we gotta get the little cards together. Hold please, hold please. I think in last place, you know, I'm gonna say it. I think the bully fish, although I really do love her, someone has to be last. And I'm afraid, baby, it's you. I don't know, like I do like her, but I just definitely think there are cuter ones in this collection. But I do like that she says, hi, bitch. This is her little card. We love her, but you're number 6. I'm sorry. Then I would say my number 5. Who is my number 5? You know, I'm gonna say my number 5 is Mascot fish. So Mascot fish is really cute. And the more I look at him, the more I'm like, wow, you are a literal interpretation of 2026. Yep. Hi. You really are. Oh boy. But I think I like the other ones a little bit more. So that's why you're number 5, but you're still a cutie though. We love you. Hang in there, buddy. Hang in there. All right, number 4. I think number 4 is gonna be my Crutch fish. So there's the little card. I think he's so he's so cute, and I really just love the Crutches fucking kill me. This is really hilarious, and I love him. I love his little outfit. I love that you can kind of remove his little cast and you could kind of put it on the other foot, or he could be, you know, somehow healed. Yay! And you could also put him in that kind of a pose. But this one is really, really cute. And I do like him, but I think I like the other ones a little bit more. So you're number 4. Bye. And then number 3. I think number 3 is my male fish. I love him though. I love his face. Again, another interpretation of 2026. I do love that he has a little messenger bag. And by the way, the messenger bag is cute as just saying. It is really, really cute. But I don't know. There's just, I think the other two I'm just kind of a little bit more obsessed with. But again, I love the arms. Hello. You can move around the little leggies. I love that you have like the tiny little letters in the little carrier. Again, I think what would have like sealed the deal for me is that if the letters like somehow were like Velcro together to make it like a thicker envelope. I don't know why that would have been cute in my opinion, but that's adorable. Also, hi, thank you. Please don't hit me in the head. so angry. I don't blame you. There's a lot of mail that has to be delivered. But yeah, I would say that he's my number 3. He's cute though. Number 2, I'm gonna say number 2 is my scientist fish, which I know, listen, it kills me to say that because this is the one that I was just fucking like just so excited and dying for because I love his little clipboard. But what sets this apart from this is the fucking tie. And I know it's so stupid, but I think if the tie was there and it was like a little pop of an extra piece of fabric, this bitch would have been number 1. But I'm definitely taking him with me wherever I go. And again, him and him. Perfect friends. They hate each other. I love him. I love him. My little scientist fish though. You're number 2. Who would have saw that coming? Not me, that's for damn sure. But number 1 is this guy. I don't know. I think it's because we have the same teeth. Maybe it's because of that. The tie is what really just kills me, you know. But I think overall though, I love just how stupidly optimistic he looks. And I think that just gives me all the joy in the world. Plus, I don't know. He's like so excited. He just wants to tell you about everything. And I love that. I love people who love their jobs, you know? I'm a huge fan of that. So I would say you are my number 1. You're so sweet and I love your little hat. You're gonna be coming with me everywhere I go, right? Okay, sounds good. So that is my ranking of the Bikini Bottom Buddies 2. This collection is so cute. I really hope we see a 3rd collection because that would be really cute. And now seeing this full set makes me want to collect the other ones. And I think I might do that because I need to. And then there's also like another set too, which I'll put a little picture here. I have 2 of those. One's like a pickle and one's a robber. It's like a completely different IP from Pop Mart. I forgot who created those, but I have 2 of those as well. I don't know, there's this little Bikini Bottom Buddy shit is so cute. So now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below which one is your favorite and if you're gonna go pick this up. And if so, are you gonna get the set or do you want a specific one? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, again, I want to say thank you so much to Pop Boxes for sending this to me. I love you, my little sweet angels. Thank you for making my little dreams come true. And if you ever want to get anything from them and you want to save a little coin, use the code Theresa and get 15% off your order for about a month, and then it goes down to 12%. So just an FYI there. And of course, most importantly, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.